Something crazy right now is happening right in front of your eyes on YouTube. YouTube has quietly been rolling out a major update that makes it easier than ever to grow your channel and reach your goals. This update isn't just another tweak, it's a huge opportunity for anyone who's been thinking about starting a channel or taking their content to the next level. Here's the deal. If you act now, you'll have a better chance of standing out, growing your audience, and even making more money than you thought was possible. But here's the catch. This opportunity won't wait. The creators who jump on this now will be the ones leading the pack, while others are left trying to catch up. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, today I'm going to show you what that big secret update is. Then I'm going to show you 2 strategies that work best for getting your channel to get views on YouTube. And finally, I'm going to show you how small creators are making income from YouTube without being monetized. So here's what's happening. Earlier this year, I realized that new channels I started were easily getting views. And it's not just me. Other creators are seeing the same thing. I'm talking about brand new channels gaining traction within their first few videos. Take a look at your YouTube homepage. You might notice small channels appearing right alongside big name creators. Even when you search on YouTube, you'll often see videos from small creators with surprisingly large view counts. This isn't just a coincidence. YouTube is actively promoting smaller channels, and if you've ever felt like competing with big channels wasn't possible, this update changes everything. Todd Roop, YouTube's leader of discovery, has even confirmed that there's a dedicated team focused entirely on helping new channels get discovered. This is your chance to take advantage of YouTube's push to level the playing field out there and get your content in front of more people. With this update, YouTube is giving David a real shot against Goliath. Think of it this way, we as new creators are David, and massive channels like Mr. Beast are Goliath. A lot of people hesitate to start a YouTube channel because they think, how can I compete with those big established channels when I'm just starting out? But this update changes the game, and here's why. YouTube knows it needs fresh creative voices to keep its platform thriving. They're actively pushing new creators' content to new audiences, giving smaller channels a chance to stand out. It makes sense when you think about it. YouTube wants as much content as possible to keep viewers engaged. If they only promoted videos from the biggest creators, the platform would become stale. But why does YouTube prioritize small creators? It's simple. YouTube is a zero-sum game. If someone is watching your video, they're not watching Mr. Beast's at that same moment. But here's the catch. Viewers don't just watch only one video. They often binge watch multiple videos in one sitting. The more diverse and fresh content YouTube offers, the longer people stay on the platform, and the longer they stay, the more money YouTube makes. It's a win-win-win situation for YouTube, viewers, and new creators like you. The truth is, YouTube isn't saturated. There's room for new creators, and with this update, you have a genuine shot at being discovered. Now the real question is, what strategies should you use to grow your channel? While the basics like posting consistently and making content people want to watch are still important, I'll share 2 specific strategies you can use to level up your channel and take full advantage of this opportunity. You don't want to start YouTube without a strategy in mind. Without this step, even the most polished videos will struggle to gain traction. Think of your channel as a house. The niche you choose for your channel is the foundation, and your strategy is the blueprint. If the foundation is shaky or the blueprint incomplete, the house won't stand strong, no matter how nice the finishing touches are. The first thing you need to determine is whether your videos will focus mostly on browse traffic or search traffic. These 2 types of videos operate like 2 different vehicles. One is built for speed and quick wins, while the other is designed for steady, long-term journeys. Browse-based videos succeed by tapping into viral trends and grabbing the audience's attention with exciting topics. These videos get most of their traffic from the YouTube homepage and recommendations, meaning that they're designed to attract viewers quickly and in large numbers. Think of these videos as like flashlights. They shine brightly for a short period, grabbing attention while the trend lasts, but their light doesn't last forever. The pros of browse-based videos include getting quick views by jumping on trends or acquiring audience interest, faster payouts from viral videos, clear formulas for success by studying competitors, trends, and your best performing videos. And the cons of browse-based videos include heavy reliance on consistent uploads, and if you stop posting, your views will drop, Content might become irrelevant quickly, meaning that videos from 2 weeks ago might already be outdated. It also requires constant research, keeping up with trends, analyzing your videos, and watching competitors to stay ahead or on par. To succeed with browse-based videos, packaging is king. Imagine your video is like a product on a crowded store shelf. The title and the thumbnail are like product's packaging. They must grab attention immediately, or the customer/viewer will choose something else. Browse-based videos thrive by spotting patterns in what's trending, whether it's viral news, entertainment updates, or social media buzz, and analyzing what's working on your own videos or others. Search-based videos are built for long-term growth. These videos focus on evergreen topics that remain relevant for years because they answer specific questions or solve common problems. Think of these videos as like oak trees. They grow steadily and provide lasting value over time. The pros of search-based videos include videos stay relevant for long periods of time, sometimes even years, which consistently brings in views. They also have a low production cost and minimal reliance on flashy packaging. It also pairs really well with affiliate marketing for additional revenue streams. The cons of search-based videos include they can take months to years to rank in search results. The revenue builds more slowly compared to browse-based videos if you're only talking about AdSense. With search-based videos, your strategy revolves around targeting specific keywords. These keywords act as a bridge between your video and your audience, guiding viewers to your content over time. Search-based videos don't rely on viral success, but they're about consistency and offering value in your videos. If you're not sure what type of video strategy that works for you, think of it like choosing between a sprint and a marathon. A browse-based video is like a sprinter. It's all about speed, quick wins, and hitting trends while they're hot. A search-based video is more like a marathon runner. It requires patience, steady effort, long-term planning for consistent results. Knowing your video type will influence how you come up with your video topics and how you package and analyze your videos. One of the biggest benefits of browse-based videos is that you can usually tell within 40 hours if your video is going to perform well or not. If the metrics like click-through rate or average viewer duration aren't strong right away, it's often because the title, thumbnail, or idea didn't grab enough attention. But don't worry, browse-based videos can still go viral later. For search-based videos, the strategy is completely different. Once published, you don't need to make changes or monitor the first 48 hours as closely. These videos can sometimes take months to rank in YouTube search, so it's more of like a set it and forget it type approach. A common mistake I see is people treating search-based videos like browse-based videos, adjusting their thumbnails or titles too soon. Don't fall for that trap. Search-based videos are meant to build momentum over time and not go viral immediately. Another common mistake is not putting enough focus on the packaging of browse-based videos. If you're investing time and resources into creating these videos, you must go above and beyond to make sure that your titles and thumbnails are the best that they can possibly be. Packaging is everything for getting someone to click on your browse-based video. Now let's talk about making money on YouTube, and no, it doesn't have to start with AdSense. When you're starting your YouTube channel, remember that AdSense doesn't have to be your main focus. In fact, it should be the smaller piece of your income pie. There are much more lucrative ways to generate income, like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or using subscription-based models. And the best part about it is that these methods don't depend on reaching big milestones like the 4K watch hours or the 1K subscribers to start earning. I put this to the test myself on an old, dead channel and was so happy by the results I made. I made $1,500 in my first month reviving it, and it's the most I've ever made from affiliate marketing in a single month on YouTube. Here's exactly what I did. I found an affiliate product that happened to pay between $300 and $1,000 per sale. This was a product that I generally used and really believed in. I researched the problem that this product solved, and I used tools like vidIQ to find the exact keywords people were searching for on YouTube about this problem. And if you're interested in signing up for vidIQ, you can use my link down below. Afterwards, I created a series of videos targeting those specific keyword phrases that I found from vidIQ. In the videos, I briefly mentioned that the solution or the affiliate product was linked in the description. And here's the kicker. These videos followed a search-based strategy, and not one video was monetized or even broke 100 views, yet they still generated $1,500 in commission. This experience showed me that AdSense isn't everything, and that there are much better ways to make money on YouTube, ways that don't rely on massive view counts or waiting to get monetized. So what's the key to success in making money early? Shift your mindset from, I think this would make a good video, to, what problem does my audience have and would want to watch? When you focus on creating videos that answer real questions or solve real problems, you'll find it's much easier to start earning. And here's something I wish someone told me when I first started. You don't need any fancy equipment or the perfect setup, and no one cares about your background. Focus on your audience, creating videos that you enjoy making, and taking the leap. If you've been on the fence about starting a YouTube channel, there's no better time than now. There's a new YouTuber algorithm push that's happening right now. Start this month, solve your audience's problems, and watch the results slowly come in. Comment below if you have any questions. I am rooting for you and I'm here to help. Thank you all so much for watching.